right, let's talk about thrifting. I went thrifting today and I picked up a few things, and you're not going to believe one of them. So I will show that to you last. There's not much here, but just picked up a cool frame. It does not have a back to it, and that's fine because I'm going to take this glass out and put my own glass in. But for $3, I thought that rustic look was kind of cool. I think it'll look neat with a piece in there that I, will make like a photo, or excuse me, flowers or something like that. I don't think you can, let me zoom out just a little bit for this. Okay, so then next one, this was $4. I wish these had been half price. I wish the red sticker was half price, but it's not. So this one is a piece of art that somebody bought from the store, so it's got a back on it and everything. I don't intend to put any glass in it, but as you can probably see, the script is on here and it's floating above. If you think our hands are full, you should see our hearts. And I love, as you know, making those little glass hearts. And so I thought gluing some glass hearts to this would be kind of neat. And then that's it, then it's done. So that is a really simple project I intend to do. I'm just gonna pick out some hearts and put those on there. Now, here is the one that I just couldn't believe. When I saw this on the shelf, I was like, are my eyes deceiving me? What's going on? And so those of you who are Bullseye fans will recognize this immediately. Check this out. Look at this giant Christmas tree made with holly berry glass. So it was $9, also not on sale, so I paid full price for it. But check this thing out. Let's see here. 16 inches by almost 12. This thing is huge. And I wasn't sure what to do with it. I had to take it with me. I had to pay $9 for it. Somebody worked so hard on this. And when you think about the shape, I'm sure they used a saw, because it would be very difficult to get this cut so perfectly by hand. These circles or these curves would be difficult. And it's definitely 2 layers, and they fused it to be food safe. So this is capped with clear, I can tell. And then this is the bottom, because you can even kind of feel some of the texture. So they flipped this and then capped it with a piece of clear. So they cut 2 of these trees. And then they got a gorgeous slump. I don't know what mold this would be. Maybe they made their own mold. Maybe they bought a mold, bought a piece of ceramic at a ceramic supply shop and turned it into a mold. But it's a beautiful slump. It's done very well. It's got a really nice flat bottom on it. And I couldn't just leave it alone. I mean, obviously I'm not going to sell this as something that I made. My wife was like, well, I suppose you could just use it as scrap glass, bust it up and use the glass. And I suppose I could. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I would love your ideas. I may just donate it to an auction or something. But I didn't make it, so it feels a little weird, kind of having my name associated with it, a brand associated with it, but I couldn't leave it. I couldn't leave it for $9. Maybe I'll just keep it and use it myself. I couldn't leave it. I had to, because I knew that nobody else would probably appreciate it like I do, and so I had to bring it with me. But if you got ideas, I would love to hear them. So those were my 3 thrift finds today during my adventures. Hope you're all doing well. Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving week here in the United States, and the holidays are fast approaching, and my kiln is running practically nonstop. I got some more videos coming up soon, so stay tuned for those. Catch you later. Bye-bye.